Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my super affordable Club Factory earrings haul with you guys. So let's get started quickly. The first earring that I received was this beautiful antique square blue earrings, and it was for rupees 99. It is a very beautiful design and would look good with Indian ethnic attire. The quality of this earring is also very good and does not look cheap at all. I think at this price this earring is a must have, and the design is also very pretty. This is the vintage crystal stud earrings and I got it for rupees 140. It is a beautiful earpiece and feels a bit heavy amongst all the earrings that I received. The quality is very good and this earring would look good with Indian wears. The color and design is also very beautiful. All the earrings which I received from Club Factory came in good condition and it took around 15 to 20 days to deliver. Also, they did refund me the money for the earrings which was not available, so I'm going to order soon. Another earring is this Bohemia Rhinestone top earrings. It retails for rupees 140. The price might differ from the online price now, but I received it for a much cheaper price. The quality is superb and I really like the color and design of this earring. I think it looks super pretty. This is the Boho handmade tassel drop earrings. Its price is rupees 175 and this design is a bit different from the other earrings that I've ordered, and I think it looks very pretty. The next earring which I received was this retro palace drop earrings, which retails for rupees 108. Its quality is very good and I think it would look good with Indian wear and match all the green colored outfits. It is a very beautiful earring and I really like how it looks on me. The next earring which I received was this long crystal drop vintage earrings which with flower Bohemian jewelry and wedding accessories. Its price is rupees 115 and the quality of this earring is also very nice. It looks durable and would pair beautifully with blue colored kurti or traditional wear, and this is a very beautiful piece in itself. The next earring which I received was this simple crystal tassel earrings. Its price is rupees 93. To say honestly, I was not impressed by the quality of this earring. It did not look as I had expected and the tassels look very flimsy. I'm not happy with this purchase at all, and this is how it looked on me. The next earring is this retro Bohemian blue crystal jewelry earring. This is for rupees 96 and is similar to the green earring which I have shown you earlier. I think the blue color stone looks even more pretty than the green color, and this is a very beautiful earring with good quality and design. Next is this retro tassel drop earrings. This is for rupees 107. I was expecting this to be a bit heavy and I was not super impressed by the quality of this earring. It is okay and I think it is overpriced for the quality that I received. This is a beautiful imitation gemstone fashion earring for just rupees 122. It is a very elegant piece of earring and the color and design of this earring is very pretty. This is the most beautiful earring that I have received in my Club Factory haul, and it is also of very good quality and I'm super impressed by this. This beautiful earring looks very pretty on wearing, though it is slightly small in size than I had expected it to be. The next earring is this vintage retro metal drop tassel earrings. Its price is rupees 114. I really like the design of this earring and it is a very beautiful and different earpiece to have in your collection. The next is this classic shell tassel earrings, and it retails for rupees 153. The color and design of this earring is very pretty and looks very beautiful on wearing. I love these kind of tassel earrings. It looks very trendy and chic. The quality of almost all the earrings that I received was very good and I'm very much impressed by the design and the next piece that I received was this very beautiful and elegant crystal rhinestone earrings. It was for just rupees 129. It is a very beautiful earring and would look good with Indian wears like lehengas or saris or kurtis. I absolutely love this earring and I think it looks very elegant. The color and design of this earring is so pretty. The last piece that I received was this shiny resin stone stud earrings, and this was for just rupees 69. It is also of very good quality and I love the color of this earring. Overall, I am very much impressed with the quality and the design of the earrings that I received from Club Factory. I am definitely going to order some more stuff very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.